Happy Women's Day. Yeah, it's for all women.
Oh.
Sorry, you get even double. You get double. You deserve for it. What's your name?
Rupa.
Yeah, Rupa. My name is Gwiza. I'm a YouTube channel, but today I say why not to get out to appreciate the other woman. And I talk to you a little bit. Yeah, how many kids you have?
But not in here.
Not yet? Not yet?
No, I have kids, but I don't want to be recorded.
Oh, you don't need to be recorded. It's okay. It's okay. Just you can show your hand. I don't put your face. You see, it's just your hand. Because I opening a YouTube channel, and as I'm new, I just to sharing the love with the people outside here. I understand if you don't like social media, but I appreciate.
You want your flower back?
What?
You want your flower back?
No, you can have it.
Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate, and God bless you too much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You
what's
too.
your name?
Andrea.
Andrea. Yeah, happy Women's Day, Andrea. Thank you very much. You too. Yeah. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day, Mama. How are you doing?
I'm getting there. How about you?
No, I'm good. I'm good. My name is Florence. I just need to share a flower as a woman in this world. You are so blessed.
Thank you.
Yes, and I have a YouTube channel, and I was need to share with people, women, with my love. Yeah,
Oh, well, thank
I
you.
appreciate too much, and God bless you, Mama. What's your name?
My name's Carol,
Yeah.
and I'm 83 years old. So
Oh,
I've got to
83
sit down.
years old? Hi guys, it's Flora Gwiza. Happy Women's Day. Guys, nje hano muri store kugura indabyo nabasha guhereza abafana banjye mu muhanda nkuko ari Women's Day. Nifuje kugira ngo ndebe nk'abantu nkabangahe nahereza ababyeyi, nahereza ururabo, and we have to appreciate some women who did a good job for their family and appreciate them. Yes, nifuje rero kubikora. Yeah, it's a small things, but the big things will come one day. Okay, thank you very much. Ababyeyi mwese ndabashimiye, ab'Imana yashimye kubashyiramo umutima w'urukundo rw'ababyeyi, ari abasingo mama, ari abubatse, ari abatarubaka, kuko umwana w'umukobwa wese aba ari umubyeyi. Yes, ubundi niko iwacu tubarera n'ababyeyi nubwo batari bageze igihe cyo kubaka. Thank you for watching. Mukomeze in touch with me, and we will see how it works for people. Niba batajya baguhurura byo, guys, reka turebe ukuntu bari buze ku appreciatinga igikorwa gitoya dukoze. Thank you guys. Let's choose some flower here. I think I will take some little flowers just to give to them. Just a little bit old. Let's see, some are still good maybe. Let's see how it is. This one is still good. I don't know how much it costs, but it's okay. mix with the Hi, happy Women's Day. Can you accept my flower, please? No, you don't want? Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Yes. Some people doesn't accept the flower, and I understand it's their choice, but some else like me. Okay? Yeah. We just understand the choice of anybody. Yeah, it's not what I like, the other like. Okay, that's, you can see how I'm trying to get some people who like, but it's okay if they don't like. Yes, it's just to try to see how people appreciate or not. Okay. Tugomba gukoresha uko dushoboye ngo tumenye imitima y'abantu, ibyo bakunda n'ibyo badakunda. Searching if I can find some people. Hi, Mama. Can I offer a flower for you? Happy Women's Day.
Oh, yeah.
What's your name?
Rosa.
Rosa. I appreciate.
Thank you.
Happy Women's Day. Thank you. Bye. Hi, Mama. Happy Mondays.
Oh,
It's just to appreciate all women, and God bless you too much. Are you Muslim?
Yes.
Yes. We love you. We love each other. I'm Christian, but I accept your choice.
Oh,
And I see pregnancy.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Marian.
Marian.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Happy to see. Is your husband?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate all women. I'm a woman too. I'm granny for 3 kids. Grandkids, but a woman, a girl, it's a woman in general. Yeah, I appreciate too much. Thank you very much. Yeah, yeah. Hi, Mama. How are you doing? Happy Women's Day. Yeah, it's for all women.
Oh,
Sorry, you get even double. You get double. You deserve for it. What's your name?
Rupa.
Yeah, Rupa. My name is Florence Gwiza. I'm a YouTube channel, but today I say why not to get out to appreciate the other woman who need to do something.
That's so
yes.
nice.
What country you coming from?
Guyana, South
Guyana.
Yeah.
I have a friend, Guyana too. Yeah, it's kind of Africa.
It's like Africa.
Yeah, the culture is the same.
Same, yeah.
Wow.
Our Africans are from...
It doesn't bother you? Because it's just my...
Oh gosh, I don't look good.
You look beautiful, beautiful. You look beautiful, don't worry. Me too, I'm the same. You look beautiful, don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah.
How old are you now?
I'm 57.
Yeah, I'm 50. Last time I get 50 in February 2nd.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm granny for 3 grandkids.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
And I say at 50, let's do my dream.
Yeah, yeah.
And I opening my YouTube channel.
Oh, nice.
And today,
Do you
this
have
is how.
a name of it
Yes,
so we can go in?
yeah. Bring your phone. I'm
Oh, I
gonna
didn't
show
even bring
you.
my phone.
It's okay. Bring it in your car. It's okay. Take your time, no stress. Eh? Yeah. You have a family here?
Yes, lots of family.
Oh, grandkids.
No grandkids.
Not yet, eh? But there will come soon. Why not? Yeah, yeah. I say let's do my dream at 50
Yeah.
to see in my future how, and I need more friends, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Good.
In this country,
Where are you from?
I'm coming from Rwanda. I'm born in Rwanda, but
Rwanda?
I grow in Belgium.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yes.
Let me get my.
No problem. Take your time. Take your time. We're not in rush. I appreciate. Yes. Guys, this woman, she accepted to talk to me. Yes. Yes. Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
Oh, you don't have it. It's okay. YouTube channel.
I don't. I go on YouTube on my TV, but never
Oh,
on
by your TV. Where can I text my name?
I'll just put it in my notes.
Okay. Oh, you're not.
Yeah.
Okay. Just comment when you get there. You say
will.
from Ghana. Do you understand, Flora?
I have a friend from Rwanda.
Yeah. Oh, you have a friend from
Olivier.
Rwanda? Oh, wow.
Nice guy.
Flora. Okay. Gwiza TV show. TV show. You will see me. I do more stuff.
Okay.
I do cooking.
Cooking?
Yeah, I like cooking.
Yeah,
You know, all women like
Yeah,
cooking.
I love it.
Yeah. I don't know where I can
Oh, you
attach.
didn't do it?
I don't know. I select where I can attach to get it.
Oh.
Okay.
Did you put it on my notes?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, right there.
Let's
Flora.
Flora
So I
Gwiza
just-
TV show. This
Yeah.
is me.
So-
You will see me. Watch me. You will see me. Let's leave my. Yeah, you will see me. Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much,
Thank
and
you.
God bless you. Are
Thank
you
you.
Christian?
All kinds. I believe in
You
God,
believe
but
in God, all of us.
any
you
kind
know.
of God,
And
yeah.
yeah, that's true. I'm
Yeah.
Christian, but I respect any choice.
Any choice,
Yeah,
yeah, me
we
too.
have just one God.
As
no
long
one
as you're a
else.
good person.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good heart. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
I appreciate.
watch you.
Thank you. Comment to let me know if it's you. Thank you very much. Bye. Accepted to offer this flower
For who?
from me. I offer you.
Thank you.
God bless you. What's your name?
Ayan.
Ayan.
Are you recording?
Where are you coming from? I'm recording. Yeah.
Yeah, can you hide my face?
Okay. Hide it, your face. Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm from Somalia.
Somalia, Rwandese. We are the same.
Yeah.
You talk Swahili.
Where you from?
Rwanda.
Rwanda?
Yeah,
Oh,
you talk Swahili too.
Yeah, I know.
Unazungumza kidogo.
Yeah, I know some.
You see, you look our people in Rwanda. Thank you, God bless you. Yeah. Happy. Guys, it's not easy to approach people, but I'm trying. Let's see around. Let's see around. Yes, but I know we will get some woman. Okay, let's see this woman there. If I will get her. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day, Mama. How are you doing?
I'm getting there. How about you?
No, I'm good, I'm good. My name is Florence. I just need to share a flower as a woman in this world. You are so blessed.
Thank you.
Yes, and I have a YouTube channel and I was need to share with people, woman, with my love. Yeah.
Oh, well, thank
I
you.
appreciate too much and God bless you, Mama. What's your name?
My name's Carol.
Yeah.
And I'm 83 years old. So
Oh,
I've got to
83
sit down.
years old? Who's your role model?
Huh?
Who's your role model woman in this world?
I don't know.
You don't have? No, your mom. Even if she's still,
Well, I'm 83, so you bet she's not old. She's long gone.
not too longer. No kids, no grandkids.
Oh, I've got grandchildren and kids.
Oh,
in
yeah.
fact, my son's in there. But
Oh, your son is here? Oh, he waiting you?
yeah.
He gonna drive you.
Yeah.
Happy Woman's Day.
Thank you.
And God bless you too much, Mama.
Thank you.
What's
You
your
too.
name again?
My name is Carol.
Carol. Okay, thank you, Carol. Yeah, bye. Yeah. Guys, I'm trying to get some woman around. I think it's good to appreciate some woman around. Yes, why not? Hi, Happy Women's Day.
Oh, no.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Happy Women's Day. Yeah, do you need a flower for woman? You already have? Okay, sorry. It's okay, it's just to appreciate our woman. Yeah, thank you. God bless you. Yeah. Yeah. As I see. Guys, can I talk to you a little bit? Yeah, how many kids you have?
But not in India.
No yet? No yet?
No, I have kids, but I don't want to be recorded.
Oh, you don't need to be recorded. It's okay. It's okay. Just you can show your hand. I don't put your face. You see, it's just your hand. Because I opening a YouTube channel, and as I'm new in, I just to sharing the love with the people outside here. I understand if you don't like social media, but I appreciate.
You
And
want your flower back?
what?
You want your flower back?
No, you can have it.
okay.
Yeah, I appreciate and God bless you too much.
Thank you,
Yeah,
you
what's
too.
your name?
Andrea.
Andrea. Yeah, Happy Women's Day, Andrea.
you too.
Thank you very much. You too. Yeah.